In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste code in draw.io. By the end, you'll be able to drop code into your diagram as plain text that looks great, or import structured text that drawio converts into shapes automatically. First, open your browser and head to app.diagrams.net. Once your diagram loads, look to the left-hand panel where the basic shapes live. Find the text shape and drag it onto your canvas. This is the simplest way to display code as part of a diagram, like when you want to annotate an architecture sketch or show a small snippet alongside a flow. With the text shape on your canvas, double-click it to enter text editing mode. Now paste your code right into that shape. Use Ctrl+V on Windows or Linux or Command+V on a Mac. You'll see your snippet appear immediately. Next, let's make that text read like code. Open the Format panel on the right if it isn't already visible. Switch the font to a monospace style so characters align predictably, and adjust the font size so long lines are still legible without overwhelming the layout. Consider setting a light gray background fill and a subtle border to visually separate the block from the rest of your diagram. If your lines wrap awkwardly, widen the shape or tweak line spacing for cleaner scanning. These small tweaks go a long way toward readability when you're presenting or sharing the diagram. If you need more than a visual snippet, there's a powerful import route. From the top menu, open Arrange, then choose Insert and go to Advanced. Here you can pick Mermaid, SQL, or CSV. Paste your content into the dialog and click Insert. Mermaid will generate diagrams from syntax, great for flowcharts, sequence diagrams, or graphs. SQL can help visualize schemas, and CSV can build structured elements like tables. Make sure your text is valid for the format you choose. Well-formed input leads to clean, auto-generated shapes you can style like any other object. After you've inserted or styled your code, apply a highlight to make it stand out. In the text formatting options, toggle the highlight to add emphasis without overwhelming the page. This is especially helpful when you want reviewers to focus on a particular block or when your diagram has dense detail. That's it. Use the text shape for quick formatted snippets or the advanced insert options when you want Draw.io to interpret your code and build shapes for you. With thoughtful styling and highlighting, your code will be clear, readable, and presentation ready.